In a Queensland first, domestic violence victims in Mount Isa will soon have access to a centre that brings together all support services. The initiative has been prompted by spiralling rates of family violence in remote and rural areas. Stephanie Smale has this exclusive report.
Searching for new ways to stop sadly familiar stories.
He was starting to involve them in the domestic violence he was doing towards the mother.
Authorities in the northwest are battling to deal with the persistent threat. The region has the highest rate of assaults and breaches of domestic violence protection orders in the state.
We have seen a rise in the incidence of domestic violence over the last 4 years.
Dame Quentin Bryce's Not Now Not Ever report demanded a new way to protect women in regional areas. A landmark program in Mount Isa will try to streamline the process for victims.
Police, our courts, our hospitals will all work together to share information to identify those high-risk perpetrators so that we can keep more women and their children safe.
We've got to do every single thing we can for every woman to keep her safe and to know that there are support services in a real way, that distance isn't going to be a barrier.
The state government says it will work with local groups to shape the new system. The trial is expected to cost about $1.5 million. The community says it needs all the help it can get to overcome domestic violence.
We'd love to see some service provision after hours in Mount Isa so that our police can do what they do best, and that is patrolling the streets of Mount Isa and keeping the community safe.
Quentin Bryce is positive about the state government's work so far.
I think that it's going very well. I think that, the message is very clear, those recommendations are very clear.
The 3-year trial will start later this year. Stephanie Smale, ABC News, Mount Isa.